Hi everyone, welcome back to Pramuu Craft Studio. Today we're making this elegant crystal beaded jewelry set. Bracelet, necklace, and earrings. Beginner, friendly, and super easy. Let's get started. T. Now let's make the earrings. First, prepare your materials. 8mm crystal beads, 3mm silver seed beads, jewelry wire or thread, earring hooks, and jump rings. Add one crystal bead in the center and surround it with small silver beads. Then attach the design to the earring hook. And your elegant earrings are ready. Let's start with the necklace. Begin by adding 3mm small silver beads around the 8mm crystal beads to create a beautiful wave pattern. Repeat the same design carefully until you reach your desired necklace length. Now attach the clasp and extension chain to finish it. Look how sparkly and elegant it already looks. Next, we'll make the bracelet. Use the same pattern crystal beads with small silver beads in a wave design. Continue until it fits your wrist perfectly. Finally, attach the clasp and extension chain. This crystal set looks so luxury and aesthetic. Your DIY crystal beaded jewelry set is complete. So elegant and sparkling, perfect for parties, gifts, or daily wear. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY jewelry ideas. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.